Hello, hello. Welcome to SaugaTalks today. I'm Irene, the host, and I have two wonderful guests today. So we have Ed Peters, who is the founder and CEO, Data Discovery Sciences. Welcome, Ed. Jim Sinur is here.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Sure.
and Ed's the only guy I know that admits he's worked with me in the past, and we're still friends, I think.
This says a lot, Jim. Okay,
Yeah.
so thank you so much for coming back to SaugaTalks. So Jim is an author and Forbes innovation contributor. He is a known analyst and he is an IT consultant in everything and anything. So to me,
I wish.
Jim is a guru I was following for many years. So absolutely, it's a pleasure. So let's talk about things that on our mind today, because we're of course we're watching what's happening out there. And today is March 16th. So we're all aware of the news. And at the same time, we're watching tech news. So this week I found wonderful article. I think it was very informative from Bernard Marr on Forbes publication, and he is talking about coronavirus, but not only that, he is really exploring on how artificial intelligence, data science, and technology is used to identify, to track, to fight, and even to produce supplies and help to process health claims. So I would like to ask Ed and Jim to comment, because you've seen this article before, and I think it's very, very cool application of technology that hopefully will help us to get over this time faster. So Ed, what do you think? Did you find these particular examples that Bernard is using? Is this something that resonating with you? Is something that you're seeing in other places where you're looking?
Well, I think Bernard does a wonderful job here in not only discussing the use of artificial intelligence to predict, who might get the virus or how it might spread, but in all the other tasks where we might employ it, all along the chain from prediction to delivery of supplies, all the way to different parts of the infection chain where it might help. For instance, one thing we do at Data Discovery Sciences with our projects and clients is to make sure that we build a profile right at the beginning of all the tasks we're looking at and that are involved along a process stream, and then build a profile of that task and what technologies might be used to augment it or automate it along the way. And that what they call the whole front to back process. And I think that's what Bernard Marr does here wonderfully. He talks about, from the predictive analytics end all the way down to where we might use chatbots to be able to interact with people, to where the supply chain might be augmented with masks or intelligent masks, and how in each of those tasks that exist in that chain, where we might apply it and how it might be used. So it's not just single threaded into one area, but it has a broad expanse. And that's a wonderful thing for him to do.
Yeah, I had the same reaction that, he's looking laterally, not just trying to say, where can I drive AI deep here? And how do I drive AI the deepest? He went for the value chain, which includes the supply chain in this case. I think he did a terrific job. That was my reaction.
I agree.